Hey, what's going on everyone? Chase here at Rocky Mountain. Thank you for stopping by. I have got this Honda Foreman and we just wrapped up an install video on the Neutron Kings Peak Snowplow. This is a 50-inch snowplow that is universal fitment. If you have an older ATV or you just can't find a machine-specific snowplow mount and you want to get one mounted up, this is a really good option. Charles just did a how-to video. It's a universal mounting plate. Every machine is going to be a little bit different, but if you watch how he got it mounted up on this machine, it will give you a really good idea of how you could get it mounted up to your ATV. But all steel construction, again, 50-inch blade. The wear bar, the gravel skids, and the hardware is all replaceable, so if that does wear out, you can get that replaced. But what's nice too is that you can adjust the angle of this too, and it's gonna make plowing snow a heck of a lot easier for you. So again, for ATVs looking for a great snowplow that's affordable with universal fitment, this is your good option. If you have questions, comments, please leave those down below. We'll get those answered. To grab one, click the link or just head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. These are gonna ship for free. All orders over $75 due. And as always, if you wanna stay up to date on the latest products like the Kings Peak, get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel. I am Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.